By the end of this video, you'll learn exactly how to sell any digital product with a simple 3-step sales funnel. Now, if you've been struggling to sell your first product online, I want to give you a head start with my free sales funnel templates library. Okay, now this library has tons of sales funnels that I built myself, like this interactive launch sequence funnel. This one is my latest one, Flash Sale Profits Maximizer funnel, which is 7 steps. And we have more simple sales funnels as well, like this one. Now, if you want free access to this library, just click the link in my description. Now, when you click the link in my description and fill out the form, I'll also give you access to my brand new reputation management software called Review Tagger. Now, this is a software that you can use to collect reviews from all of your customers and display them online. Okay, so this is great if you have a physical business, a local business, or if you are an online consultant and you want to share reviews with others, you need this software. Now, this software starts at $97 per month, but I'm going to show you how you can get this completely free. I'll create a special discount code that you can apply to use my brand new software completely free. And I will also invite you to the sign up page where you can sign up to this 10-day challenge where you'll learn how to launch your online business and start making money online. You'll learn how to build your first offer, how to set up a sales funnel, how to sell your offer, and how to drive traffic to your business. Okay. Now, the 3-step sales funnel to sell any digital product is very simple. Now, one caveat is you could also sell physical products as well, all right? So this sales funnel starts with a 2-step page. Now, this is very unique because on this page, you immediately sell your product. Now, we call it a 2-step page because of the order form itself. So the order form is 2 steps. So on the first step, that's where a customer would just put their general information like their name and email address, and then they'll click on this blue button to continue. Now, when they continue, they get taken to the second step of the order form where they will add their credit card information. Now, what makes this 2-step order form even more powerful is that you can also add what is called an order bump. Okay, so aside from the main offer you are selling, you can also sell an add-on, all right? These order bumps are generally a little bit cheaper and complement your main product. So if you are selling a physical book or an ebook as your main product, your order bump could possibly be the audio version, okay? Now, if you want them to purchase the audio version, they will just click on the check mark and click on order, and they will basically get your book and audiobook. So a great way to increase your profits. Now, another great way to increase your profits is on step 2, which is the upsell page. Now, this is essentially what it means. You upsell them around a product that is complementary to your main offer. Okay, so if you are selling a book, the upsell page could be maybe your online course that complements the main offer. Now, what's unique about this specific upsell page is that it's a one-click upsell. It's a one-time offer. So remember, they already added their contact information and credit card information on the first page. So all of that information is stored. So on the second step, they can instantly click on this button to purchase the upsell. So very easy for them to make a second purchase, and it increases your overall profits. And then the step 3 is the confirmation page. So this is where you thank them and you provide them with information about when or how to access all of their products that they purchased in the sales funnel. Now, you could build this 3-step sales funnel very simply by choosing from a variety of templates from ClickFunnels. Now, you can preview any of these. So if you want to check out this green one, just click on Preview Template, and you can take a look at the first step of this sales funnel. Now, they call it a book funnel, But you could basically use this funnel for basically anything physical or digital, right? Now let's just say I kind of like maybe this last one here, or actually I kind of like, let's do this one, this other red one. Let's do this one, okay? So what I can do is click on select funnel and I will install it in my account. Okay, so we have our 3-step sales funnel that we can use to sell any physical or digital product. All right, now since we are selling something, you could see this yellow icon here, which basically tells us that we need to add a product to this first step. So let me add the product. Okay, so I added my organic supplement product right here. And let me add a second product, which I will designate as the order bump. So I'm gonna add my second product. Okay, so I added this product here and I'm gonna move it over to the order bump section. Then click on update just to make sure it saves. Okay, so I have my 2 products on the first step. Now let's add the product to the upsell page. Now I'm gonna click on add product. Okay, so I added my course on the upsell page. Now let's actually edit the first step. So this is how the first step looks like, okay? So you have your main headline here and all of this text you will need to change from the template. So if you wanna change any text, just highlight it and start typing. And there we go. And this is the very powerful 2-step order form, okay? So the contact info is self-explanatory, and then they click on next step. So let me show you how the next step looks like, and it is right here. So you can see the main product that you are selling, and you can also see the order bump. Now, if they want this order bump, they'll just click on this checkbox and then click submit. So initially, someone would come here thinking that they are only buying your main product, but by the end, they are actually buying more things. Now, this is the first step. Now, let me just preview this for you so you can see exactly how this looks like live. Okay, so you can see here the 2-step order form, and you can add your testimonials, additional information about your product, mention your target audiences right here, and also explain exactly what your product will offer for your audience, like what they will learn, what benefits they will get from your product, so on and so forth. Now let's go to step 2, and I'm gonna click right here to open up step 2. Okay, so this is step 2, the upsell page. Now, normally when you make a purchase, you automatically go to the thank you page, but not with this sales funnel. Okay, so you go to the upsell page where it says wait, you only see this secret offer once, and you can talk about the upsell. So this is the headline. You can add a video sales letter here. And this is the one-click order button. Okay, so if they want this, they just click on this button and it'll automatically charge their credit card. All right. Now you can also see a breakdown of exactly what the offer stack is like, what they are going to get, and all of this information would not be empty. It'll have all of their information in here already because they added it on the first step. And then they just click on yes, I want to join. If they don't want it, they just click on no thanks, I don't need this right now. So they do have an option to skip this upsell. Now just let me preview this page so you kind of know exactly how it looks like. So we have your main headline here, video sales letter, and then the button that automatically charges their card where they can make a purchase. And then if they don't want it, they just click on this no thanks link. Now for the thank you page. So this one is pretty self-explanatory. It'll just confirm that they've made a purchase. And this is a page where they will get their receipt and access to the product. Like if they ordered an ebook, you might have a link to the ebook. Or if they ordered a physical book, they'll have information about when their physical book will arrive to their home. So go ahead and try this 3-step sales funnel to sell any digital product very easily. And if you want access to tons of additional sales funnels, click the link in my description, fill out the form to get access to this. This library is constantly growing, so keep an eye out on this library. And I'll also show you how to get free access to my online reputation management software. And I'll invite you to join this 10-day challenge. So if you enjoyed this video, let me know by hitting that like button and also leave any questions in the comments. I will answer every one of them. And if you want to check out my other videos, feel free to click any of the ones on the screen. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.